Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Mother Iggy token. Ticker symbol is Iggy. Now this token is pretty popular today. They just got at least two big central exchange listings. We're going to go over the information on the Mother Iggy token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So you can find this token listed on DEX Tools and DEX Screener. It's trending today. Their market cap is like $18.4 million right now. So last night I did see a different token. I believe the ticker symbol for that one was Iggy. And that one was doing very well, I think, for just like a short amount of time, and then kind of collapsed. I think it's, a couple thousand market cap right now. But this Mother token is doing very well. And I just noticed today they have two brand new central exchange listings. So you can find this token if you just search Mother in the Mother on the search section on DEX Screener or DEX Tools. It'll pop up. Right now it says it's up 26,882%. Needless to say, doing very well. It's trending number 2 right now on DEX Tools in the Solana section. This is a Solana meme coin. Now I did see the actual Iggy Azalea, which her Twitter I'm going to put somewhere in this, probably in the corner of the screen there, at Iggy Azalea, 7.6 million Twitter followers. She does have some retweets here talking about. Let me just verify this here. So let's see. So her Twitter is at Iggy Azalea. She is an Australian rapper, I believe. It says she's followed by L-Bank, which is pretty funny. But I swear I saw, oh yeah, right here. So 1 hour ago, she just had a tweet that says $Mother. And so that, right there, that's the ticker symbol for this token. And she retweeted another thing with the $Mother in it. There's a whole bunch of them, basically. If you scroll through her tweets, she has a whole bunch of $Mother tweets. And so that is the ticker symbol for this token. So it's like she is either intentionally or unintentionally promoting this token. And I just got 2 new listings today. So one of them, it says Poloniex, new listing, the Mother token. Deposits open today, May 29th, 11:30 UTC time. Full trading is enabled May 29th, 12:30 UTC time. So that's one place you could get it. And then another one today I saw, Coinex. Coinex Global just listed the Mother token. It says Mother is a meme coin launched it's launched by Iggy Azalea. Okay, well that's what Coinex Global is saying. I don't know if somebody made it for her and then she's promoting it, or or she's like the developer. Who knows? I don't know. I wasn't there. But anyways, it says Mother is a meme coin launched by Iggy Azalea, who is an Australian rapper and model. Her YouTube channel has accumulated over 3 billion views. And so this token got listed early today, so it's already available. It says 7:30 a.m. UTC time, May 29th, so it's up there now. the mother token. So one way you could get this token, I do have a Coinex global referral code down there in the description box. All you would have to do is simply go right through that Coinex global referral code down there, open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section and search mother, and then simply just buy the token. It is that easy. So there's no like official pages besides Iggy's x.com there. It says token price is about 1.8 cents according to Coinex Global. Let's go over to Dex Screener actually. So this token was basically just created 14 hours ago, 20 minutes ago, according to Dex Screener. It's up 26,721%, $18.3 million market cap. It's trending number 3 on Dex Screener, trending number 4 on Dex Tools right now. They have $950,000 in liquidity in Raydium, and 88.08% of that total liquidity is locked and burned. So that's great to see that. And Mother Iggy is the full name of the token. They're listed on CoinGecko and CoinMarketCap according to Dex Tools. They have 12,350 holders. And yeah, so they have a 24-hour trading volume of $119 million. That is huge. So you can also get this token off Raydium by funding your Phantom wallet or your Soulflare wallet with Sol. You could use any one of the exchanges in the description box down there to fund your decentralized wallet with Sol. Then you would go into the dApps and find Raydium and then trade your Sol for this token using the contract address that you can find on Birdeye, SolScan, Dex Tools, Dex Screener. Just make sure you have the right contract address. And I don't believe there's taxes. I think this is just a very much straightforward meme coin, but I don't know for sure. But if you had to set slippage, you could always leave it in the comments. Lastly, they have a Dex score of 94 out of 99. Community trust score of 94.4% out of 18 votes. And according to Dex Tools, they have a quick audit by Quick Intel Security. It says contract is verified, no honeypot, no mintable tokens, tax is not modifiable. It says scam risk undetected, and it also says no other risks. Keep in mind, it is just a quick audit. It is not a full audit. You should always look out for full audits. But yeah, listed on Coinex Global. It's already up there now. So if you want to check out all the referral codes down there, there's Coinex Global down there. That's where it's listed. Make sure you guys like this video. Subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.